Welcome to Stack Genius YouTube channel. Are you curious about AI concepts or looking for AI capability? You're in the right place. Our channel simplifies complex coding topics, making them accessible to everyone. By end of this video, you will understand capabilities of AI. Sit back, relax, enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Let's get started. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI techniques enable computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI algorithms are designed to analyze large amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Narrow AI, or weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained for a specific task or set of tasks. Generally, narrow AI systems performs predefined tasks within a limited domain. Example, virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa, self-driving cars, spam filters and image recognition software. 2. General AI, or strong AI. General AI refers to a hypothetical AI system with the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence across a wide range of tasks similar to human intelligence. It will learn like a child, building on its own experiences. However, general AI systems do not currently exist and remain a subject of research and speculation. Artificial intelligence works through a combination of algorithms, data, and computing power to simulate human intelligence and perform tasks. The process includes data collection, data pre-processing, algorithm selection, training the model, model evaluation, deployment, continuous learning, and improvement. Machine learning and deep learning are subsets of artificial intelligence that focus on enabling computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Both machine learning and deep learning have played crucial roles in advancing AI capabilities, but they differ in their approaches and complexity. AI innovation has been transformative across various sectors worldwide, revolutionizing industries, improving efficiency, and enabling new capabilities. Let's see some notable areas where AI innovation has made a significant impact. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data such as images, patient records, and genetic information to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, identifying treatment options, and predicting patient outcomes. In the finance sector, AI is used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, risk management, and customer service. Self-driving cars use AI algorithms, sensors, and real-time data processing to perceive their surroundings, navigate routes, and make driving decisions without human intervention. AI is transforming the e-commerce and retail industry by enhancing customer experiences, optimizing supply chain management, and enabling personalized marketing. AI is reshaping manufacturing processes by enabling predictive maintenance, quality control, and automation. NLP is used in virtual assistants, chatbots, translation services, sentiment analysis, and content generation. Hope you enjoy this video and find it useful for your career or interview preparations. If you want more web development videos, please like and subscribe to our Stack Genius YouTube channel. By doing so, you'll receive more videos like this one. The comments section is always open for any queries you may have. I'm here to help. Once again, thank you, guys.